Wow, what a ride we've all been on. Here we are at the end of another school year, and the ride certainly is not over. What is certain is there are a lot of uncertainties about what's next. Questions surrounding when we go back to school as an administrator, we have to come up with, are the students going to go half days, every other day? When we practice social distancing in the classroom, how far are the students separated with X amount of students? All very important questions. And I'm certain there are even more that are on their way. Not to mention those students who are looking forward to the prom, the graduation, walking down the aisle, end of the year celebration. Well, I know the story all too well. I have a daughter who's in a school in Maryland, and she's about to graduate. And all of the above have been important to her, and she has been devastated. I mean disappointed. And here we are as individuals and parents trying to figure out what we can do with passion for these students. Well, here with Team Choices, we have come up with the idea of having a virtual assembly celebration for the students, which would include participation from parents, participation from the administration, participation from students, and the fact that we can add music and some fun with a keynote speaker and give them the celebration that they well deserve. At least we can do this. Team Choices, partnering with your school, we would love this opportunity to have an end of the year celebration with your students. Hey, my name is Ron L. James, and I'm representing Team Choices, and we would love to partner with you.